And when you have a partner like Maker Duniya, who is going to introduce you to how do you leverage all this technology to create innovations to solve basic problems, to solve the problem of clean drinking water and sanitation, to solve the problem of climate change, to solve the problem of access to good health facilities through telemedicine, access to good education through digital transformations, to solve a problem of renewable energy and clean energy. You can use technology to solve all these problems.